Hello world, today is Friday, December 6th, 2024. This is vlog number 205. The purpose of these vlogs is to be a 10-minute, raw, unedited stream of consciousness, public journal, talk about what is top of mind. And the premise is that there is some value in being present and witnessing like a slice of time in a person's life, and pondering life and analyzing life. Like, here's a 10-minute segment, and what is like valuable here that can be shared with the whole world. Like, with presence, you are essentially enlightened. If you really appreciate and like witness the present moment, you kind of witness the whole universe and all of creation, and there is really nothing that is lacking or nothing that is missing. Everything is perfect and everything is in its place. So, and we can exist in a state of gratitude, in a state of peace, in a state of presence, and we can return to that and always return to that. And really, in life, it's all about practicing a way to return to that bliss, the state of lacking nothing, having everything. Practicing that, and that is really the underpinning of all religions. Practicing a way, the path, the middle way, which means being able to tap into and remember like the miracle of life, of existing, of living, and kind of like taking yourself out of the karmic cycles or reaction loop or the hypnosis of the world, and the kind of like narrative that you tell yourself about where you are and who you are. I was just watching some podcasts and interviews with a speaker named Joe Dispenza, and I just like clipped some videos to make a reel to promote my app called Manifestly. And in these clips, he was talking about this, like training yourself to be experiencing love, gratitude, peace, where you are where you are witnessing a state of relaxation. When you are in the I believe it's the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the relax mode, versus the sympathetic nervous system, which is the stress response, which is the fight or flight, which is a mode in which you cannot really create, and you're just you're just worried about survival. So it's very important to understand these two these two worlds, these two states of being. So that's one thing that's been top of mind. The second thing that's top of mind is building an app called Manifestly. And I am also applying these kinds of like insights into psychology and insights into optimizing human performance into actually like building something and creating something. So yes, tapping into that parasympathetic nervous system is part of building the app, and having support from like AI systems into like directing myself into like building the app. So it's evolving into from just AI affirmations, which is kind of a simple loop. Now I am focused on building like engaging patterns that captivate people and are fun and this means valuable. Like they are like people want to use this app because it gives them an edge in life. So this is this is what I'm going after. This is what I'm visualizing. And how can I do this? Like, and there's a couple of ways. Like one of them is like, so I'm really picturing this like set of AI tools for productivity and for personal growth and for education, lifelong education. And it's based around things like health and wellness, which is like mindset, which is like physical health, mental health, and wellness, like affirmations. And then it's like the health and wellness, and then it's like productivity and like business, and and then it's like creativity. So and education. These are very important parts of a person's life, and if I can build AI tools here that can give people an edge in health and wellness, or in like learning, or in productivity, in like work or business, then I feel like I am fulfilling my purpose. So, and it's important to be aligned with your deeper purpose. Like, and it's important to feel like you're serving like an audience and serving like a customer base that you like, and that you want to serve, and that you want to help, and that you want to help them advance in their goals. So how this is very broad, right? You might be thinking like, that's what I'm thinking, like it's very broad. Well, it's what's really guiding me is like I want to build tools that I use myself. So like the AI affirmation part is like something I use. Next, it's like I really want to do like calorie tracking, food tracking, diet, nutrition, and then I want to track like productivity, time, sleep, and like habits and fitness. So I'm gonna build all these things, and also like learning, like having personalized tutors, having ability to read very quickly like PDFs and books and get summaries, and then get summaries of like YouTube videos and of your Twitter feed and of news articles that come from the web. So these are like things that I want to build in the app and like really strive for this. So that's my progress, that's my vision, and I'll be wrapping up here. So this vlog episode was about talking about health and wellness in the parasympathetic nervous system, and it's like remembering the future, talking about like having a practicing state of gratitude and peace, and how this is like the underpinning of like all religions, and this is something I value, and how that ties into like this manifestation, which is like really about practicing these like good, healthy states of being. And then the second point is about talking about what is the vision for Manifestly, and what is the value proposition, what is the app itself, and it's like a AI for productivity, health and wellness, and can be something that can be very helpful. So ending it here, thank you for watching, and sending peace and love to the world in a special place and time. Peace.